Good day. Hello. And welcome to today's little vlog. It's busy, look. Lone Star. Busy. Bar right here, Legends. Busy. Maggie Mays. Busy. And I've come to Enid's. Sorry. Sharples. I have, right here, look. Sharples. Traditional fish and chips. So I'm gonna wipe my feet. Been raining all day, innit? Rain stopped about 10 minutes ago. And it's about 4 o'clock, guys. So forgive me, I'm going in. Sharples looks nice. Traditional UK chip shop. Aha. We've got Sarson's vinegar on the table. Speaking up over the music. I didn't know there's got to be a bit of music. But young lady, I would like... Hello, Swaddy Cap.
Hello,
Hello.
Swadika.
There you go, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can I order, please?
Yes, what you want order?
I want to order takeaway
Yes,
cod and chips.
yes, cod and cheese.
And how much is that, please? Did you just pick me up the road? You did?
Yeah, because me and my friends, we all follow you, yeah?
Yeah, you're all right.
Can I get a quick selfie?
Yeah, hang on.
Cheers, brother.
Cool, interrupting the vlog.
Thank you. Yeah,
Cool.
One more.
Yeah, you're all right.
Cheers.
Oh, cool.
Cheers
for now, thank you, mate. Have a good
nice.
day.
I love watching you stuff.
Cool, mate.
You take care of yourself.
And yourself, buddy. Enjoy. All the best. Well, yeah, I am. I'm bloody hungry. Cool. How cool is that? So I am in here trying fish and chips. I can't see.
One cod, 219 baht and one chip 99 baht. Total 318 baht.
318.
Yes.
Okay. Kapung cat.
Cod and chip take away.
Yes. I need to try. I've been told very good.
Thank you.
318 baht for cod and chips. So I'm going to hang on and I'm going to walk down the street. Guys, it's about 4 o'clock. It is. I'm not usually out about this time of day. I'll explain why in a second. Well, don't take too long, about 10 minutes. It's the music, guys. I could eat. There. I was going to run off down to the beach. Plenty good enough. The robin. I can eat here. It's just when I do vlogs, I've been to lots of little restaurants, places of eateries to do food vlogs, but as soon as I get there, it's the music and it just kills it, destroys all my ad revenue, everything. So it makes it totally inoperable. Oh man, there's music in the background there as well. It also makes it really difficult for Mr. King to concentrate. It's all the background issues, all the things that go through my mind when I'm out vlogging that the viewer doesn't get. All the irritations. Right, so I'm going to go. Fish and chips looks really good, by the way. £7, if you were wondering. Right, I need to get down on the beach. I have put my salt and vinegar on. I have. There's still, I'll say there's a lull in the weather. It's been raining all day, stopped at about 3:30. So there's a slight lull, which means it's not raining at the moment, which is good. Very good. And all these bars, they are all busy. They are doing special offers on the beer. They are. Right, now you've got to be a bit careful when I'm not going to go and sit and eat me chips. You have. I have. I'll tell you the reason why. Yeah, be careful hanging about on the Jomtien Pattaya Beach sign right here. Yeah, I have. So, well, I'll get picked up eating me fish and chips. You know, there's a dog in sight, right? You think I make this all up? No, I do not. There's loads of little dog in sight. This is male dog in here, particularly. Yeah, I know. It's funny. So, what do you get? Look, you get 2 great big polystyrene tubs. You do. Where the thing's bashed out so your fish and chips don't get steamed. They've thought about what they're doing. Because when you have fish and chips, you want them nice and crispy. Mate, that sun is coming out. Sun's coming out. Whoa. You see the surf in the sea, man. How are the chips? I've been told the chips are really good. Mate, you'd have his jet ski. He's waist deep in shit. Look, that's all surf, all that froth. That's what it is. You guys know that. Pick up size. All sorts. Chips are awesome. Oh, mate, they're a proper chip. That's a proper potato. That has been proper cooked. That is soft. That is so soft. With that crispiness on the outside, that's double dip chip, that is. Maybe a triple fried chip to get that colour, crispiness, and that softness. Chips are good. 100 baht, I think the chips were, she said. I forgot now. I have. But anyway, the fish looks all right. They have given me a wedge of lemon. Don't often see wedges of lemon like that in Thailand because lemons are ratty expensive. They are. So they usually give you a lime. They do. You don't often see lemons in Thailand. Not like that. You don't. It's pretty good. And I've actually put the lemon on the fish. I have. Right there. I shall try the tail end first. My first thought, as soon as I put that in my mouth, that's a bit lemony. Put too much lemon on. Crispy batter. It is. It is pretty good. Now is that? It is a proper, it has been battered. It's not a bird's eye bit of fish. It smells. It hasn't been bought in from the freezer, from Iceland, no. Man, I'm mega impressed with those chips. They're really good, really good. There's just one thing I didn't get. A guzzle. I didn't get a bit of guzzle. I was going to get a bit, I was going to sit down in the restaurant, all proper like, I was. Thought it'd be good for the channel, rather than having to come and sit on the shitty street. Right by the beach. Wow. They are a proper good chip. There's a slight a real slight bit of sweetness about them, which is all right. I don't mind it. It's that natural sweetness. They don't taste like they've been dipped in sugar, which is hard work in Thailand. Everything tastes like it's been dipped in sugar. It does. It does. Oh, man. Oh, cool. Guys, as much as I am enjoying this, As far as the fish go, the fish is all right. I expected more from the fish. I did. The fish is all right. It's like, but the chips done really well with chips. Oh man. Okay, man, looking at me. Oh, you be careful sitting here. You give out the wrong idea. Oh man. The fish is all right. It is, but that's quite mad. I'm enjoying the chips more than the fish. I am. It's changed. I'm gone now. That's it. I had enough. That's all right. Try and make a vlog. Okay, boy. Hey, that was enough. I want. No way. Words out. Words out on the street, Mr. Right, I'm going home. I am. They might just stay warm. They are. What a bear. Oh, what a happy ending. I ain't sitting there. I'm going home. I am. Going home. I am. That didn't take long. It's a lot better. A lot better. Right. And I also got a fork. They didn't give me a fork. They didn't. They didn't. Oh. And I have a gift from Lisa. From Camilla. It's coming very handy because I've packed my other thingy, bottle opener away. So we do have. Go on, Scooby. Where are you? There on the pad. There we go, a little ice cold Leo. So cheers. Oh, first of the day. I know, getting late. So, chips. Chips are still good. They're all right. There is a sweetness there, so I'm not sure what potato they're using. It's not bad, but I got to admit, guys, the fish is all right, but the batter is just too saturated. It's too greasy for me. It's too saturated. The batter, it is on the fish. The fish itself is all right. It is. It's nothing to write home about. I can tell that is not fresh fish. It is not. There's not a lot of flavour there, and also by the texture. So it's all right, but that's frozen fish. That is. It's kept frozen. Whether it's battered and then I don't know, but that's not fresh fish. That's frozen. There's not a lot of taste to it. There isn't. Disappointing to tell you that Enid are serving frozen fish. It is. We always assume the fish is fresh, don't we? Never says frozen on the menu, does it? But that is bland. Oh. That is why when I had my first mouthful, the taste was lemon and the saturated batter. That's where the flavours are, to deflect from the fish not having any. Oh mate, it's like a detective, isn't it? It's like the food detective. You're like, man, I have to go and do this stuff for myself. I hear the stuff is so good. It's all right. But the fish isn't. Chips are all right. Just get some chips. Happy days. Chip shop. Marks out of 10. And well, 5. 5's halfway there. It is. That's what I would say. It's halfway there. It could be. It's just so bland in the fish. Oh, a slight flavour there. Oh man, so that was a disappointing fish and chips. Chips. There is that sweetness, because I'm like, wonder what potato they've used. They're not King Edward's, but they're all right. Oh yeah. So if you wondered what it's like in Enid's, Sharples, well then now you know. That is the verdict from the food expert. I'll tell you what, I'm about as an expert as what you're going to get on the internet. Oh yes. Oh man, there you go. Just enjoy me beer then, innit? Wow. And they still, Leo still go down in 3 guzzles. Oh, it is cool. So here is where I like to sit, outside my next door neighbour's apartment. There's my chair there, look. But I prefer sitting here. I ain't got a next door neighbour. Flat's empty. So it's me, just looking out. Looking out. To see what I can see. There's a few birds twitting about, there's a few frogs. Oh. And that is about it. I've seen a few lizards. No snakes. No. That's the good news. Right, guys. Oh, excuse me. Leo is very gassy. Quick food vlog. Fish and chips in Pattaya. Is it worth it or not? Borderline. Would I pay £7 for that if I'd have known the fish was that bland? No. Would I go back? Yeah, just for some chips. So there you go. I'll give it 5 out of 10. I do. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog. I'd like to give you a big cheers and a thank you for watching. And until next time, bon appetit.